Ireland is lagging behind dozens of international cities when it comes to contactless payments on public transport, with full rollout here not expected until close to the end of the decade. The Irish Independent has identified 40 cities worldwide that have already overtaken Ireland in implementing contactless ticketing systems across buses, trains and trams, as reported by Sarah O'Mahony. Many of those systems were introduced more than a decade ago. London, for example, began accepting bank cards on buses and trams in 2012 and now operates a so-called hopper fare for the equivalent of €2, allowing unlimited journeys within 1 hour for a flat fee. Other early adopters include Chicago, which became the first major US city to roll out an open fare system in 2013, making it easier for passengers to switch between rail and bus. Cities such as Warsaw, Zagreb, Bucharest, Edinburgh, Barcelona and San Francisco have since followed, with some rolling out full contactless networks only in the past few years. By contrast, Ireland's integrated contactless system is not expected to be completed until around 2029. The project, known as Next Generation Ticketing, will eventually allow passengers to tap bank cards, mobile phones and other devices across all Transport for Ireland services, including buses, rail and Luas. The National Transport Authority and the Department of Transport cite several complexities, including installing new equipment without disrupting services, integrating gates at rail stations and ensuring passengers are charged the correct fare when switching between transport modes. For more on this story, read the Irish Independent.